welcome to our e-learning channel, Reading Made Easy for preschool or nursery school children. We are happy to have you with us in class. Hello dear friend, you're welcome. I'm happy to know that you are looking at me right now, and today we are going to look at numbers. We are going to start looking at numbers, starting with number 1. And I love to sing. I love numbers. So will you sing with me? 1, 2, I love numbers. 3, 4, let's count some more. 5, 6, get your sticks. 7, 8, cause counting is great. 9, 10, numbers are friends. Let's count them all again. So we're going to count using our fingers. 1, 2, I love numbers. 3, 4, let's count some more. 5, 6, get your sticks. 7, 8, cause counting is great. 9, 10, numbers are friends. Let's count them all again. Okay? So then we said we are going to start counting. We're going to start with number 1. We're going to start with number 1, and we'll start with a story about little one. Are you ready to hear the story? Once upon a time, there was a little boy called One. Little One lived in a house of 1 room. He lived in a house of 1 room. Let's count the rooms. 1. Near his house, there was 1 tree. Let's count the trees. 1. So he had only 1 tree at his home. Little One had 1 door on his house. We count the doors. 1. And only 1 window. We count the windows. 1. Then little One had 1 chair in his house. And he had only 1 ball that he played with. Little One went for a walk, and he made 1 hop. Can you hop once? 1. So he hopped only once. And for breakfast, he ate 1 apple. He ate only 1 apple. So he said, let me collect my things. Let me collect my things. So he started looking around for things. He wanted to look for only 1 thing. Only things that are in 1. So as he moved, he found 1 flower. He found 1 flower. So we are going to collect the things for little One, okay? Let's move around and look for 1 flower. Okay. So here is the flower. We have got 1 flower for little One, and we'll put it here. And then we look around, just look around your home, let's see, and we get the 1 ball for little One. So we have 1 ball. Can we count the balls? 1. We count the balls again. Once. This is 1 ball. We put it here for little One. And I want to look around for something that little One would love. Yes, the book has said that little One eats apples for breakfast. So we'll give him only 1 apple. Okay, so let's count the apples. 1. And count the balls. How many balls do we have? 1. And how many flowers do we have here? 1 for little One. And little One has a number up on his head. And this is number 1. So we have our number 1 here. This is number 1. Number 1 is like a standing stick. Number 1 is like a standing stick. So this is number 1. We'll put it here. For little one. So today we are going to learn how to write number 1. Okay, now let us remember that when you're writing, you hold the pencil using 3 fingers like me. Hold the pencil using 3 fingers and use the hand that is not writing to hold the paper on the margin line. Hold the paper on the margin line like this and start writing. Starting from the margin line. So let's write number 1. Because number 1 is a standing stick. Start from the top to the bottom like this. Number 1. Let's write it again. Remember to hold. Put your hand on the margin line and write from the top to the bottom. 1. So that is number 1. And number 1 means that I have only 1 thing. And I have only 1 finger, like this 1 finger. Can we count the fingers up? Just put up only 1 finger. 1. Put up only 1 finger. 1. And I also like this song. 1 little finger, 1 little finger, 1 little finger, tap, tap, tap. 1 little finger, 1 little finger, 1 little finger, tap, tap, tap. So today we have looked at number 1 and we say that this is number 1. Okay, so for our homework, you're going to write number 1. At home, please practice writing number 1. Remember to place your hand that is not writing on the margin line and start writing from top to bottom. Number 1. Until next time, from Teacher Angela, bye-bye.